Guys, Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping. We're standing here at RZ Mask. We have Joe. He's going to tell us a little bit about the product that they have coming out. Guys, when you're doing your fall cleanups, all of that, these are what you guys need to be wearing to make sure you're not breathing in all that junk that's flying in the air. So we're going to let Joe take it from here, and you tell us what you got.
Yep. So this is it. This is called the RZ Mask. We've got 3 different types, and they all function pretty much the same way. There's just some slight advantages changing between the different models. So I'll start with the M1, the Model 1. It's made of neoprene. It's like wetsuit material, and keeps your face nice and warm. And then underneath that, just like with every other mask, we have a replaceable active carbon filter. Now this filter, it's going to last anywhere from 40 to 60 hours of use. It can even last even up to 80 hours of use if you're using it for something really light like pollen. In a heavy dust situation, you know, leaf season's around the corner when you're chopping up those leaves, probably looking closer to 40 hours of use. The M1, great for cold weather. Then we have the M2. Same thing as the M1, functions the same way, but instead it's this nylon mesh material. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a breathable mesh material. And great for hot weather again. Now the thing with both of these versions is they only have one strap that goes around the back of your neck. I'll show you how it works. Really quickly and easily, put it on like that, take it off. So if you have other equipment on your face like eyewear, hat, ear protection, you can take the mask on and off independent. Then we've got the M2.5. Again, this is going to function the same way as the other masks. Got the same filter inside, and it has 2 straps this time. One goes up over the crown of your head, one goes around the back of your neck. So for really high intensity applications, maybe you're building up a sweat, this mask would be a good alternative to these single strap models. So that's pretty much what we got. I think I mentioned the lifespan of the filter. The mask itself, if you want, in the retail packaging like this, goes for $34.95. And again, you keep the mask, you just wash and reuse it, and you just change out the filters. And it's going to come with 2 filters installed, and then you can buy replacement packs, packs of 3 for $6.95. And you can get them on our website, rzmask.com. We ship for free anywhere in the country, or you can check out your local Ace Hardware, they might have them. But what we want to do is run a special giveaway, so you can comment below, let me know, or let Dylan here know what mask model you would like, the 1, the 2, or the 2.5, and we're going to pick a winner and send you one absolutely free. That's all I got.
Alright, so now guys, this isn't just for the commercial guy. Like any homeowner, like this is suitable for a homeowner just well. This isn't just you run a lawn landscape company. Like even as a homeowner, you get benefits from this as well, right?
Right, absolutely. Well, the filter is good for not only just dust, but fumes, odors, smoke, organic chemicals, so a variety of particulates. So
painters, home contractors, all that, they benefit from it too, not just the landscape
DIYers, you know, all that kind of thing, woodworking. So absolutely. Tons of uses.
Well, good deal. Thank you very much, Joe, for giving us the opportunity to showcase this equipment or this product. But anyways, guys, like he said, leave a comment down below. Say which one you guys are interested in, and we'll post it for about a week, and after that we'll do a random draw, and we'll ship it right to you guys. So anyways, thank you, Joe, very much. Appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.